I'm a regular guy, not some celebrity endorser. You see, instead of paying for some big-name spokesperson to hype the same old run-of-the-mill account, Kasasa Checking gives that money directly back to you in the form of cash rewards. In fact, he just bought me this cup of coffee. See how that works? Amazing! Free checking, cash rewards. Take back banking with Kasasa.
Visit First Central Credit Union today. FirstCentralCU.com.
Good afternoon. Welcome to your midday weather update on KOXC.com and the KOXC app. Let's get right to the weather headlines. Cold and windy this afternoon. We have that northwest wind blowing out there, 15 to 25. In fact, we're going to have windy weather all the way through Thursday. And brace yourself for tonight, friends. Wind chills between 18 and 23 degrees when you step out the door tomorrow morning. Want you to be ready for that. Let's have a look at the precipitation regional radar. We have showers and thunderstorms firing up from Houston all the way up to west of Shreveport into northeast Texas and eastern Oklahoma, being influenced by this low pressure area that is developing and spinning up in Oklahoma. And of course, you see some of the blue, that would be the snow that is coming down. Today we have a risk of severe thunderstorms along the Texas Gulf Coast. It's a low risk, but it is present. Some of those storms producing some strong winds. You can see the spin of this low pressure area in the panhandle into western Oklahoma, and we have quite a bit of snow that's flying from about Woodward, Oklahoma, all the way back up into Dodge City, Kansas. Now, the precipitation part of this system should stay to the north of our region. We, however, will eventually, I think by tomorrow, get some of this cloud cover moving on down into the central Texas area, and we are already getting some of the cooler air, which is wrapping around the backside of that low pressure system. And here's the big view. On the warm side, you've got the thunderstorms and the rain. On the cold side, you have the snow coming down. The system's going to linger right here for a couple of days before it finally kicks off to the northeast. 12-hour forecast looks like this. And low pressure building in East Texas. There's your rain and thunderstorms. Nothing for Brownwood or Central Texas. And tomorrow at this time, still not all that much movement to the system. A lot of rain down in Houston, Beaumont, Port Arthur. And then you can see the snow makes it all the way down to the Red River. But most of it stays back up into the Texas Panhandle in Oklahoma, where they could get 4 to 8 inches of snow in those areas. 36 hours from today, taking us into the Wednesday or Thursday night time period. Look at all the rain breaking out in East Texas, Louisiana, Arkansas. The winter storm stays active. Panhandle, South Plains, and then nothing for us. We're just kind of in the wrong place on this particular system. And then high pressure begins building in as Friday gets here, and that high pressure sets us up for very nice weather this weekend. 51 degrees for a high this afternoon. Bump the temperature up just a couple of degrees for the high today. But definitely we have a chill in the air. It's going to be that way all day. Northwest wind 15 to 25. Good place to be tonight, the fireplace, because 28 is the projected low temperature. But look at this, the wind chill near 20 degrees tonight. Northwest wind at 15 to 20 miles per hour. And some frost out there tomorrow morning when you step outside, and only going to reach about 45 for the high temperature on Thursday. Partly cloudy, breezy, and cold. Northwest wind 10 to 20 miles an hour. 7-day forecast shows no rain over the next 7 days. Notice the overnight low temperatures each night for the next almost a week will be at or below freezing, and a slow warming trend 62 Saturday and Sunday. That's very near normal for this time of year. That is a look at your weather on KOXC.com and the KOXC app. Thanks for watching.